So I got this Rolling Stone magazine. Let's see what it looks like inside. Ganda! Pogi nila. Okay. Got this in, I think, Lazada. Lazada nga ba? O Shopee. Basta isa dun. Kasi naubusan na ako sa mismong Rolling Stone na gusto ko sanang kunin yung may box eh. Tas yung lahat sila may solo sa cover. Pero kasi baka pare-pares din naman yung loob. So, I guess okay na rin. Na OT7. Yeah. So, syempre, ito sa inyo. Sana yung kanila. Yun ang BTS. Here. Otake. Pogi eh. Grabe. Nakatingin si V. Ano sabi? We have to push it to the edge. The return of BTS. Wow. Gusto naman yung article. Pogi ni J-Hope. Siyempre, LV yung kanyang suot. Si Jimin. Ang sabi ni J-Hope. Ano lang. If we don't challenge anymore, then there's no reason that we should keep doing this as a team. Of course. They're challenging themselves. Yepoda. So pretty boy. Jimin. Ang pogi ni Jin. What I really felt was that I really want to perform. I want to sing. I want to get out and dance. Yeah. Ang pogi oh. Grabe. Grabe yung pogi yan. Worldwide handsome indeed. JK. Wait. So cute. JK Sarangi. Nomo cute. And sa kabila. Daddy Namjoon. Daddy Namjoon. Ay, grabe si Margie. No. Grabe yung titig niya, no. Oh my gosh. Ang pogi at ganda niya at the same time sa shot na yan. Sabi niya dito. In the rush to achieve our goals, we didn't care so much about our health. We can have fun with it now. Oo nga, parang mas chill na rin sila ngayon as compared before. Like, syempre, they're able to give their opinions na rin sa company, no, on the direction they want to have sa music, sa career nila. And of course, si V. O, diba? Ang pogi din. Naman. Ang sabi dito. There are people who pray in their home. Please, BTS, just go fall down, break apart, and collapse. What okay? But may mga ganitong tao, no? Like, why can't you just be happy for other people? Like, be kind. Like, I don't know why people are like that. Like, ang sad lang siguro ng life nila, no, na they want, para lang they'll be happy na meron sila matatapakang ibang tao. Like, sobrang pet peeve ko yun. Ay nako. Kaya mas lalong inaangat yung BTS eh, kasi ginaganon sila. Yan. Pogi. Wow, it's so amazing. Sabi, It's so amazing that we got back together. Yeah, of course, of course. It's so amazing talaga. And thank you for coming back to us, my loves. Super thank you. JK, hindi kita. Nahati siya. JK, my love, ba't ka nahati? O, nadoble siya. Okay lang, sige. Clone na si JK. Paramihan ng JK. Para i-share. Hindi. Sa akin lang pala siya. Charot. Parang nadoble si JK. Oo nga. Nadoble yung print. I try to express universal things. RM. Bottega bang ano niya dito? So, okay. I don't know. I'm not really a fashion expert, so I've got to work harder. Oh, Jean, you've been working hard na since coming out from military. So, thank you. Grabe ang hot, oh. Ang chan, ang abs, oh. Grabe siya. I'm a good fit for this job, Suga. Yeah, you are. Chigo. Pugi niya, grabe. Grabe na siya. I cannot. This is why there are 7 of us, Chiho. Oh, yes, of course. OT7. Pugi rin ni Chiho. Grabe ang ang jawline. I wasn't afraid to ask questions, Jimin. Tsaka nakakatuwa sa kanila that, diba, even na successful na sila, they still try to learn something new. And I think as individuals, we do that as well, no? Na we try to better ourselves kahit na we have reached a certain point in our careers, no? Parang there's still something new to learn, no? Yan. V. I gave my all to create this album. Oh. Next is I'm very carefree and open. Jungkook. So, yun. Cutie pie. Yun. Story time lang. Yung Uber driver namin dun sa Busan. As in, kinorek niya yung pronunciation namin ng, diba, para kasing Jungkook. So, hindi. Jungkook. So, parang parang Jong. Tapos, yung K kasi nila interchangeable with G. So, parang Jungkook. Yun daw tama. Kasi yung Jungkook yata parang Chinese or something. Ganyan. So yun, parang ang kulit niya, daw ako, bitches so daw ako for kasi sinasabi ko na asawa ko si JK. Pero joke lang naman yun. Like, lang. Masyado lang siyang seryoso. Ajushi. Na, hindi. Pero seryoso. Love ko si JK and all of them, OT7. Yan. So, anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about BTS or anything, feel free to comment. Annyeong!